Another important factor to consider is the timing of your meals. You want to eat at regular intervals throughout the day to keep your metabolism high and your hunger low. You also want to eat before and after your workouts to fuel your performance and recovery. A good rule of thumb is to eat a small snack 30 to 60 minutes before your workout and a larger meal 60 to 90 minutes after your workout. This will ensure that you have enough energy and nutrients to train hard and recover fast. Some examples of pre-workout snacks are a banana with peanut butter, a yogurt with granola, or a protein shake with oats. Some examples of post-workout meals are a chicken salad with quinoa, a turkey sandwich with whole wheat bread, or a salmon with sweet potato. These snacks and meals will provide you with the optimal ratio of carbs, protein, and fats to replenish your glycogen, repair your muscles, and reduce your soreness. Finally, you want to make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated and healthy. Water is essential for every function in your body, including fat burning, digestion, and detoxification. You should aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water per day, and more if you exercise or sweat a lot. You can also drink other fluids, such as tea, coffee, or juice, but limit your intake of alcohol, soda, and sports drinks, as they can dehydrate you and add unnecessary calories and sugar to your diet. So, there you have it. These are the basic principles of how to eat like a pro athlete and burn fat fast. If you follow these guidelines, you will see amazing results in your body, your performance, and your health. You will also enjoy your food more and feel more satisfied and energized. Remember, eating healthy is not a punishment, it's a privilege. You are what you eat, so eat like a champion. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.